Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to find working coupon codes for Domino's Pizza. Let's get started. First of all, open your web browser like Google Chrome, then type Domino's Pizza coupon codes in the search bar and hit enter. You will see several websites offering promo codes and discounts. Click on a trusted coupon site like RetailMeNot or coupons.com or check Domino's official website for current offers. Browse the list of available deals and find the one that suits your order, such as 50% off all pizzas or buy one get one free. Now head to the Domino's website or app. Add your favorite pizzas, sides, and desserts to your cart and go to checkout. Look for the coupon code field at checkout. Enter the code you found, apply it, and watch the total drop. And there you go. You have saved money on your Domino's order with just a few clicks. Thanks for watching.